Okay, so good thing kasi today, I will be making a diorama of a cell. And hindi pa ba halata kung anong kind of cell ang gagawin ko. I will be making a plant cell. I hope you'll join me if you like.
In fairness outfit, ha?
No, actually, I just woke up. Let's go!
So the materials that I used is a cake box, an eco bag, a bond paper wrapper, cartolina, and all that stuff. So I used 1/4 illustration board to create the backbone of my animal cell. So the first thing I did was I cut it out and put green construction papers on it. I also added the bond paper wrapper to the remaining part that is not yet covered with green. There it is! Okay, so the next thing I did is I cut out the cake box to create the cell wall. After cutting it out, I covered it with green cartolina. So by the way, the cell wall is made of cellulose. It is used to support, protect, and allow diffusion of gases in and out of the cell. There, I'm attaching it already. Alright, so the next is I'm making the vacuole. I cut out the eco bag in the form of the vacuole. Obviously, vacuole is the largest organelle in the plant cell since it contains enzymes, and it's the one that digests the old cell parts and breaks it down to larger food molecules. So what I did was I cut it out and then I staplered all the sides, so it's 2 eco bag, then stapler, then I put bubble wrap inside of it so that it will be fluffy, you know. So here I am cutting out the bond paper wrapper to create a chloroplast. So it is here that the photosynthesis happens that prepares food for the plant with the use of energy. It also helps to release oxygen. So I just cut it out into a disc shape. By the way, I used green color since it contains the chlorophyll, the green pigment that absorbs energy from the sunlight. So after that, I outlined it with a dark green cartolina. There you go. The next thing I did was I used a golden string. Obviously, I just recycled this from the decorations from previous birthday parties at home. Ayan, so I cut it out and then I put it in through the use of the double-sided tapes. And there we go, here's the final result of my chloroplast. So the next thing I did is the mitochondria. So I used pink construction paper and outlined it with a red one. And then I just cut it out. There I have 2 mitochondria. Ayan, hindi siya na-timey. And then of course, since it's the powerhouse of the cell, I used a shining, shimmering, splendid fuchsia dust. Okay, it's time to put it all together. So I have here the chloroplast, the nucleus, the vacuole, the blue vacuole, which is very fluffy, like that. So I'm just arranging it all. Of course, I have my powerhouse, which is very stunning in the dust, fuchsia dust. And so I just use a pizza cartoon to elevate the organelles from the base. So by the way, the nucleus, I used purple construction paper, and then nucleolus, I used a container cap. yes, that's it. So here on top of the vacuole, I just use toothpicks for the graphite crystals. It's cute, right? Yeah, you agree. So here, the orange part is the Golgi apparatus wherein it modifies proteins made by the cell and pack and export proteins to the cell parts. Then here we have the endoplasmic reticulum, both the rough and the smooth, wherein it is the one that makes lipids and other materials. And over here, you see the white spots. That's the cytoplasm, the fluid substance that fills the cell. Yeah, so here's the final output. Yeah, I love the fluffiness of the vacuole. So that's it, I guess. Bye! Thank you!